Alright, what's going on, guys? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're around the world. Today is gonna be a great day because we're gonna be picking up... No, it's not my RX-8. I'm sorry, I don't know what else to say. It's not my RX-8 pickup day. I know that is what everyone is looking forward to, but it's not today. I'm sorry, guys. But today is gonna be a good day regardless because we're gonna be picking up a C4 Corvette. Alright guys, so I don't know if you remember, but about a month ago, my friend Sean bought a C4 Corvette from Staten Island. But when we bought it, the car had no brakes. So, it's been about a month since then, and the car still has no brake, and he doesn't know how to drive manual. So today, I'm actually gonna go and help him pick up the car and put some brakes on it. But first, we gotta get on this Uber, because I don't have my car right now. Alright, and just like that, we are in a C4 Corvette. Now, Sean's in a meeting right now, so he just tossed me the keys, and I gotta move the car out of the driveway, essentially, before someone comes and block it. Long story short, I just gotta get the car moving ASAP, but before I do, I gotta figure out what these keys do, because they all, for some reason, there's like different keys for everything. But let's get a code start. Alright, just got the car out of the way. It's really weird being a Corvette, you know. I haven't really gotten to drive this thing all that. I'm reaching for a seatbelt. Is the seatbelt here? If I remember correctly, it's like... Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, cool. What was I saying? I just lost my train of thought. But essentially, what's happening today is that Sean's Corvette doesn't have a brake booster, right? So when I'm hitting the brakes, I have to like pump really hard for it to start stopping at all, which is really scary because if you guys remember how my accident with the RX-8 happened, it was because I couldn't stop in time. So it's a little bit scary for me today, but I'm trying to rip open this box here. I'm bringing the car over to a shop right now, and they're gonna help me put on this brand new brake booster right here. He should have all the parts in there. But yeah, I'm just gonna get the car over to the shop right now. I'm probably not gonna film too much of this because I am gonna be scared out of my mind driving this thing on the highway, getting it to the shop with like almost zero brakes. So yeah, let me just set up the GPS right now and we will be on our way, I guess. You know what's crazy, guys? It's been about 4 months since I've last driven, right? Since I last driven my RX-8, which is the only manual car I've driven since then. So it's crazy how I could go from like a 3-month hiatus to driving this crazy V8 in the middle of New York traffic right now. Well, it cleared up just a little bit, but it's kind of crazy what happens, right, in life. Let me just give it a little bean here. Man, it picks up. The throws are so long as well. I am scared to bring it up to speed though, even though I am on the highway, just because of the brake issue. I want to get up to highway speeds, but if I need to brake suddenly, like right now, oh my god, it is really tough. What exit do I need to take again? Oh, I think it's this one. All right, wish me luck. Look, driving this thing, man, just brings a smile to my face, and that's what really matters, I guess. Gotta downshift. Did I downshift or was that 6th gear? Alright, I need to put the camera down. But the downshifts though. Brake, car, I need you to brake. Alright, cool, it's braking. It is crazy. This car is a beast. Like, what year is this? I think this is like 89. It's crazy. Wow. Adrenaline is like rushing in like my blood right now, and just sitting in traffic in this beautiful old-time Corvette is... That's all I have to say. Alright, we have successfully made it to the shop without dying, so let's just turn off the car. Cool. Put it in gear. Alright, we made it. And I don't know if you guys remember this shop, but if you guys are an OG of the channel, you will know that this is one of the shops I used to go to really often. RPM NYC. I'll give you guys a better look, but let me just get everything out of the car for now. Make sure I didn't leave anything behind. Alright. I did a pretty shitty job parking, but it's alright. It was honestly so much fun, even without the brakes. I think as I was driving on the highway, I got used to it. Oh yeah, look at the space. Just not great. But you know, they're gonna move it in right now anyway. So let me just lock the car right now. I don't want anyone else that's not his keys. Where did I just put the keys? Alright, found it. Alright, while he gets in there, let me just show you around the shop real quick because they got some pretty cool cars around here. So I have no idea what this is. I know it's some sort of BMW, but you know, it's really hard for me to tell like Euro carts apart, not gonna lie. Got like an old Civic here, some Subarus, and for some reason these all look pretty beat up. They're, I swear, like it's not all the time where it's like this, but I have a bunch of like JDM stuff around here, and what I really want you guys to see though is this. You guys probably can't see from the lighting yet, but that right there, orange car, a Velside RX-7. Unfortunately though, I have to say there's no rotary in there. I think it's the LS engine, so it's kind of sad, but it's always nice to still see one though. It's a dope car.
The next day.
Alright guys, so as usual, whenever I drop off a car at a shop, it's never done on time, so it's actually the next day now, but I'm with Sean, so. Hey Sean. It's his Corvette, he still can't drive it unfortunately, but yeah, we're at the shop, we're gonna pick up the car right now.
Oh. You guys start out first.
Cold start. Let's see it. Uh-oh. Sounds good. Would have been real funny if it didn't start there.
These older cars, you definitely want to work on. Does not drive well cold.
For sure, for sure. Alright guys, so we're on the highway right now. Hopefully the lighting isn't too bad because there's a GoPro or the audio, but there is actually brake pressure now on the brakes, so it makes me feel a lot more confident driving this car, and it's nice not having to hold a camera. It's been a while since I filmed POV, so this is actually really nice right now. Oh, there's a car. I gotta say, this car feels and drives amazing for a 1989. Now I know I don't have much experience driving old cars like this, but you know, I would have thought, you know, it didn't feel as smooth as it is, you know, I'm not gonna lie. I'm just following Sean right now in his Lexus. He can't drive the Vette yet, so you know, I have the pleasure of doing it for him. But yeah, we're just gonna drive back, drop off like his car, and then we'll go out somewhere to eat with the Vette. Man, driving this car is a lot of fun, and the downshifts are nice, but it's kind of hard to find the gearing, I'm not gonna lie, because it's hard to find the gearing in this car because the throws are so long. Like, it's so different than what I'm used to with the RX-8 and Miata, where they both had pretty short throws. This, you know, I'm kind of just rolling through the gears here. It really all just fits into the very muscle car aesthetic of it. Is he taking a wrong turn here? Okay, no. Okay, cool. Giving myself a little distance here. I'm gonna drop it down to third gear, and yeah, it feels pretty good. I don't really have much space here to really push the car, and nor do I really want it, to be honest, right now. But you can see we're averaging 4.4 miles per gallon. That's pretty bad. That's worse than my RX-8. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's go. Hit install.
Am I a god?
You can't even see us, but is he a god? We don't know. We don't know.
Right.
Alright, I'm probably gonna put the camera down for this part. We'll record him driving, or like me teaching him how to drive, like another day. But for now, like, you know,
Yeah, it's dark.
It's dark.
Bye, YouTube.
So. Bye, YouTube.
1 hour later.
Alright, You know my luck of cars, right? we're on the side of the road. You know, this kind of becoming a pattern here, but yeah. I don't even know what to say. I'm glad no one is hurt. You know, this is not a bad accident. The tire just blew out on us, which we should have seen coming, to be honest, because I don't know how old these tires are, but we literally just got the brakes fixed, and now we gotta deal with this. I don't know. How you doing, Sean? You feeling good?
I'm great.
You feeling good?
I'm doing great.
Yeah. It's kind of the middle of the night, so I don't even know if how long is it gonna take to find us home. It's great, yeah. Oh, man, I just can't catch a break with car issues, even when I'm not driving. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Nah, don't hold the brake, let it go. Oh, take it off. Check the glove box. Check the glove box.
There's not a glove box even.
There's no glove box? Center? The center?
Yeah, we checked.
No. Get a screwdriver.
Anything behind the seats?
Behind the scenes, I wouldn't know.
It's the size of a toolbox key. I know. It's like, you know, really, this should be the key
Wow. Everyone's out here working, and it is. Let me see here. It is focusing. It's 1:12 a.m. right now. And everyone's here busting their ass because of us. It just goes to show like their dedication to their work. So if you guys got any cars in the New York City area, just bring them to RPM NYC. Back when I had my Miata, I came here for literally all my work. If they worked on rotaries, I'd be coming here every single time as well. But yeah, there's no better way to show their work ethic. You know, 1 a.m. they're still out there. No guarantee that if you guys have an issue at 1 a.m. though, that you know they'll still be here. But they're really hardworking guys, and you guys just there's no way. There's no, like when my Miata caught fire, they were here to help me. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put the camera down and try to help them figure it out. But we're trying to put a spare on the key on the wheels right now, but we're missing this little key lock thing. So I don't know how they're gonna get this off. We don't have it on us right now, or I don't even know if we have it at all. Sean doesn't remember if the previous owner gave it to him, so I think they're just trying to break it apart. We might just need new wheels and tires altogether after this. Alright guys, you have made it to the end of the video, and as always, if you made it this far in the video, I truly appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch my content, and I mean that always. So it's actually the next day since everything happened. It's literally just last night when the tires blew out and we had to pull over to the side of the highway. It was pretty scary when it happened. Like, we just felt the car vibrating a lot, and we pretty much pulled over right away. I'm pretty sure the wheel is damaged. Like, there's no way that, you know, the wheel suffered no damage. We're gonna try to fix it. If not, if it's repairable, or if not, then, you know, Sean's just gonna have to buy new wheels and tires. But we're gonna replace all 4 tires, and if we need to, we'll replace the wheels as well. But we really do like the look of that wheel. I think it just fits the car really well. It's really time period correct, right? And it just looks good. So if we don't have to replace all 4 wheels, we would rather not do that, but it's really up to Sean's because he's the one spending money on this. And it's just kind of crazy how many things keeps happening to me when I'm in cars, you know. I mean, even though it's not like happening to me because, you know, it's not my car, it still, you know, makes me feel bad that, you know, that happened to Sean, and I can't help but feel some sort of way like my bad luck is rubbing off on him or something. Hopefully that's not the case, and I know a lot of you guys are waiting for the RX-8 updates, and to be honest with you, I don't really have any. There's just stuff keeps getting delayed with the body shop. I don't really understand 100% what's happening, but I'm also getting tired of just keep making these short RX-8 video like update videos. So I'm probably just gonna stop doing them until I get like a significant update of when I'm getting my car back. I was supposed to get it back last week, but before last week I was supposed to get it back the week before, and now, you know, I was supposed to get it back this week, and it's already today is Thursday, and I was told I should be expecting it this weekend, but I reached out to Alfast for him to reach out to the body guy because I don't have direct contact with the body guy, and you know, I haven't gotten any reply, so I don't really know what's happening with that. But hopefully I get my car back soon, and you know, I could go back to making content as usual. But until then though, I'm just gonna keep working, you know, work and just save money, because if you guys don't know, they raised the prices of the rotary engines as well, if you want to buy them directly from Mazda. So if anything does happen to my car, instead of, you know, costing like around 7 grand for a new engine, now it's like 14. So it's unfortunate, but anyways, that's pretty much enough rambling from me today. Hopefully we get the Corvette back on the street soon, and you know, maybe I could make a few more videos of those. But if not, I do have some other content lined up, so I'm gonna try to get back to a regular uploading schedule, because I'm tired of just waiting for the RX-8 to come back at this point. But that's pretty much what's been going on. Hopefully you guys been doing well. I appreciate you guys for showing your concern, because as always, I normally post about this type of stuff on Instagram first, and a lot of you guys have been reaching out to me, so appreciate you guys for that. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap the video up here. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and until the next time guys, stay safe, drive safely out there. Right, people are crazy and random stuff could happen at any time, so just be careful. All right, peace.